Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to speed up ElevenLabs voices in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, keep in mind that ElevenLabs doesn't have a built-in speed adjustment option. But don't worry, you can still speed up the voice using this simple trick. Start by generating a voice in ElevenLabs by selecting your preferred narrator. Once done, download the generated voice to your computer. Now, go to audiotrimmer.com/audio-speed-changer/. Click Choose File and select the voice file you just downloaded. Once uploaded, use the speed slider to adjust the playback speed. Move it to the right to speed up the voice. Preview the result and fine-tune it according to your needs. When you're satisfied with the speed, click Change Speed, and then hit Download to save the new file. And that's it. Your ElevenLabs voice is now sped up and ready to use.